Yo, what's up? I'm xDpaulx and just chilling here. This is kinda old gameplay. It's Modern Warfare 2, and like I don't play this anymore. I play Halo Reach now by calling. So yeah, the gameplay is pretty bad, you know. I don't do that good or anything, but there's a reason why. Like, I'm gonna upload this and I want to talk about something. Oh yeah, I use the ACR with Marathon, Stopping Power, Ninja Pro the whole game. The red dot on that, yeah. So, about like a minute, maybe a little more than a minute in, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's pretty crazy. What happens here? Not crazy, but like, I'm just curious to know, like, 'cause I have trouble with this all the time. I mean, I'm pretty stupid when it comes to this, but like controller settings and stuff, you know, I normally play tactical, not inverted, and maybe like a lower sensitivity. I don't even know what sensitivity I'm playing on right now, but like when I first started playing Xbox, I played on inverted. I played like that for like 2 years, more than 2 years, and I changed to not inverted. And yeah, like I used to play on low sensitivities all the time. I still do a lot, but I don't know. When I record and stuff, I want to play on higher sensitivities. So I think it's coming up like pretty soon here. And you know, I like to try new things out all the time. That's why I do this. So hold on. When will it be? It's like right here. Here it is. Alright. Host migration. Watch this though, watch this. I was like, maybe I should try something different. I go to my options, change my thing to 10, and I changed to inverted, yo. I'm crazy. Alright? So I don't know, I can play both inverted and not inverted, you know, like good, I guess. I'm like used to both of them, so like I switch on and off to them, which is, it's a bad habit of mine. Like I'm not sure which one I play better with, because like I guess I feel more comfortable. My bad, I have like a bad cough right now, you know, but I feel more comfortable on inverted, but I don't know, I just I'm so sorry. I need to take some like codeine or something. I'm so sick right now. Like, oh my god, I can't stop coughing. I'm choking. Oh god. Oh god, I need some NyQuil or something. Alright. Yo, I just have this in school all the time. And I don't like when I'm in school, I just start like randomly coughing like that. Oh god. Like right now I have like heartburn, man. It's probably because I've been eating so much. All I eat is Taco Bell like every day. I'm getting so sick. Holy god. Allergies. Oh man. Like it sucks because it's like a dry cough too. Oh my god, I think I need some water or something. Oh shit. I swear to god, I feel like I have to vomit everywhere right now. My stomach, oh dear Jesus. Oh god, I'm so sorry. This is so bad.
This commentary spirit.
Oh god, I can't stop. My lungs. I feel like a balloon is in my lungs right now and I just can't stop getting bigger. It's like a hot air balloon. Oh god. Oh. I hope I get. Oh, I feel it. Like, whenever like I try to stand still, I can't talk either. Like when I try to like not talk or anything, I just keep coughing more. Oh, please help me. Like, yo, sometimes in school, I'll sneeze, and it sucks. Like, I'm not gonna lie, sneezing's the best feel. Oh god. Sneezing's the best feeling to ever do. But because it feels like your whole nose just comes out at you, man. Oh dear. And like in school, like when I sneeze, I just keep sneezing. I just can't stop sneezing sometimes. Same thing with coughing. Like right now, I just can't stop coughing. I don't know. Like I've been just eating so much and drinking so much like soda and stuff. I feel like I understand. Like I had one game about losing weight and everything, or one commentary about it. Yeah, but sometimes I get in those stages where I just keep eating. I think that's why I'm getting so sick. Like my body right now is falling apart. I'm getting fat. I mean, I'm not getting fat or anything. I'm getting sick as hell, man. I feel better now. Like my insides feel like I could actually like exist. Oh, there's the end of the game. I won. My KD was 30-12. If you like my videos, subscribe. I'll be posting a lot of Halo Reach videos. Thanks for watching.